Honeywell evaporative air coolers provide a natural and effective way of cooling to reduce the temperature without ringing up high energy bills. The CS10XE has a sleek design and a 2.6-gallon water tank, helping to spot cool and provide fresh air ventilation for hours and hours. The CS10XE cools up to 175 square feet and consumes only 102 watts of power. This translates into savings of up to 83% on energy costs compared with using air conditioners. Water pumped from the water tank pours over the honeycomb cooling pad. As warm air passes through the wet honeycomb pad, it absorbs the heat, naturally cooling and humidifying the air. A powerful fan then propels the cool air into the room or outdoor area. This continuous cycle of fresh air circulation helps to renew stale air. This unit features two operating modes: evaporative cooling mode and fan-only mode. Automatic swing louvers can be activated for faster air circulation. There are 3 fan speeds to choose from, so you can adjust the wind strength according to the room environment. The remote control lets you operate the air cooler from across the room. A large honeycomb cooling pad effectively retains water for optimum evaporative cooling. A carbon dust filter helps filter dust from the air passing through the cooler. Honeywell evaporative air coolers are easy to set up and easy to use. Fill the water tank by pouring water at the side of the unit. The detachable water tank lets you refill water faster from a sink tap or hose. A low water alarm will sound when the water tank is empty in cooling mode. A built-in water level indicator also alerts when it's time to refill. The honeycomb cooling pad is easily removed from the unit for periodic cleaning and maintenance. The heavy-duty casters allow you to transport the air cooler from room to room with ease. Enjoy the natural cool breeze of a Honeywell evaporative air cooler. A full range of Honeywell evaporative air coolers are available to serve diverse needs.